Hello, welcome my Tango Academy online. My name is Analia Centurion and today I will teach you embellishment in your 8 backward. See, this combination is after the leader lead sacadas. See, sometimes the leader lead sacadas between your legs, the leader lead sacada in this position, sometimes the leader lead sacada in this leg, and when the leader touch visual, sometimes it's visual effect, but you feel your free leg look like a embellishment or voleo or almost you move and shine in your step. This combination is in your back 8, back 8 in tango. Let me show you 1 or 2 back 8 simple and then with embellishment. See? Okay. The back 8 moment, I like you prepare your upper body, see, more stable and high heel. See, the key is you put your shoes, the shoes more comfortable or the shoes you use it in the milongas, night or shows. See, and I talk about the muscle memory. See, if you practice with a high heel, your body is ready. If you practice the flat, your body ready for flat. It's up to you, but I like practice with the same level I dance in milongas, social milongas. Okay, it's up to you. Now, after you activate your upper body, my left leg is free and pivot back, collect, pivot back, collect, pivot back, collect, pivot back, collect. This back 8 now I show you in same place. Sometimes the back 8 is or more pivot or less pivot, depend the leader. See, this pivot is classic. If you sometimes practice in front of the window or in front of the wall, it's in line. Pivot, go. Pivot, go. See? Today I have the new. After this video, I show you, I tell you about the news. Okay. Now, the embellishment is after you arrive, sometimes the leader touch this leg and this leg move. In this combination, I like show you on the floor like this and cross back, like this and cross back. A little circle in this direction is circle like this, and then uncross, walk back like this, more outside, like this, see, like this, and then uncross. Let me show you more in diagonals, see, back, for example, here, E back, here, E back, in diagonal back, this leg outside. Almost the leader touch this leg and you respond on the floor. It depends the place, no? If more salon, on the floor is more control, another moment high, it's up to you. I like if you draw with your toe, see, not heel for now, because the hip sometimes go down. If you feel your toe on the floor, it's more stable, and you draw, see, a little circle. And then the same toe, collect, toe back. You need control, not the last part in your leg. See, let me show you the last, and then I tell you the news. See, okay. Back 8, whoop, back 8, whoop, y back, tuk, y back. Te cuento que creé una colección de adornos para la mujer para que renueves tus movimientos y te sientas más creativas. Con los movimientos que te voy a enseñar de esta nueva colección de videos que vas a tener acceso ilimitado, podrás crear los tuyos propios. Yo voy a dar ejemplos, los videos están organizados de tal manera que en el primer momento el movimiento está sin el adorno, después está con el adorno y después está en cámara lenta para que veas el paso a paso. Todos los detalles están abajo del video en la descripción. Seguro te van a interesar. También te quiero agradecer por seguirme en este canal con todos mis consejos de tango para la mujer. Seguimos en acción.